I bought this electronic battery desulfator right here over 3 months ago. This thing is supposed to rejuvenate, restore, repair lead acid batteries that don't work anymore and make them work again. Now I have to be very clear on this, everyone. I don't know this company. They didn't send me this for free. They're not paying me anything. I bought this with my own money because I think this is a gimmick. Thought it was a gimmick. Didn't turn out that way. Spoiler alert, it actually worked on 2 of these batteries. 2 of them it didn't work on. Each one of these batteries right here had a different problem. I'm going to share my results with you right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, you got it. There's my website address right there, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Check it out when you get a chance. I got some links up here for you in the information button too, if you want to see that. This video has taken me 3 months to get this video together because it has taken me 3 months to find 4 different batteries with 4 different problems so we can really, truly test this thing out and see if it actually works or not. Now you're going to see me using different things in this video, some different tools and whatnot. I have some links underneath this video in the description and in the comment section. Check those out when you get a chance. Let's move on to the first battery. This is the first one right here. Let's go. The problem with this battery right here is that it fails the load test. This is a nice little tool right here. What this does is it simulates when you turn the key to start your engine, the draw that the starter pulls out of the battery while the starter's trying to turn the engine over. Even though this holds at 12.89 volts, it's been holding at 12.89 volts for weeks. It's a fully charged battery, doesn't mean it's good. When I put that load tester on there, it shows it's fully charged. I hit that button and it comes right down instantly to like 5 volts. That is the same thing as trying to start your engine with a 5-volt battery. It just doesn't work. I did 3 cycles with this desulfator right here. 3 cycles, which means I charged the battery up, desulfated for 24 hours, charged it up, did it again 3 times in a row. It didn't change anything on this battery. It still fails the load test. So this desulfator right here did not work in this case on this battery. I will say also, before we move on to the next battery, that I did check the fluid levels in the 2 batteries that I can pop the tops off. Fluid levels are good, and I cleaned the posts off with this handy dandy little battery terminal and post cleaner, and did that on all of them too. Let's move on to the next battery, shall we? This battery right here has 2 problems with it. The first one is it will not charge past 8 volts. Now, just so you know, on a lead acid battery, there are 6 cells in here. Each one of those cells is supposed to have 2.1 volts in it. Grand total on the battery is 12.6 volts. If you have 12.6 volts or more that holds steady in there, that's a fully charged battery, just like that last one I showed you. I couldn't get this thing past 8 volts. Also, with the old load tester right there, the toaster, it failed that horribly too. 2 problems. Unfortunately, I cannot do anything with this to get it past 8 volts. I tried trickle charging it with this little 1 amp trickle charger right here. I even blasted the crap out of it with a 15 amp charger right there, and I could not do anything to get that past 8 volts. Now, unfortunately, this desulfator right here, you have to have a minimum of 10 volts in the battery for this thing to even turn on. I hooked that up to that battery right there. It does nothing. It doesn't beep. It doesn't turn on anything because it only has 8 volts in it. So this battery right here is completely screwed. This desulfator obviously did not work. This is the battery out of my ride-on lawnmower. The problem with this battery is that it would not hold a charge. I could charge this thing up to 12.8 volts, and then 2 days later, I check it again with my multimeter, and it's 2.5 volts, like completely dies in 2 days. So I desulfated it. I actually did 2 cycles with this desulfator right here, and it fixed this battery. It charged up to, again, 12.8, something like that, and it dropped down to just over 12.6, and it has been holding fast at over 12.6 volts for 2 months. I haven't touched this battery for over 2 months. It's still holding now, and so I think this desulfator actually fixed this battery. The load test on it tests absolutely like a brand new battery, so I am very happy with this. This desulfator cost less than half of what a new ride-on battery costs where I live. So I bought this. It's paid for itself already just on one battery. Worked great. This Energizer battery right here, this is a super expensive battery. I could not get it to charge past 11.5 volts, no matter what I did. I trickle charged it for days. I supercharged it with the 15 amp. It would not go past 11.5 volts. Dead battery. I let this one desulfate for 3 days straight. The desulfator is supposed to like automatically shut off when it's done its job. This thing went for 3 days, beeping away. And after 3 days, I just went, okay, I can't take it anymore. I took it off, charged it back up with the trickle charger overnight, and it came up to like 12 point, what do I got here? 12.8. No, this one actually came up to like 13.1 volts. And then 2 days later, it dropped down to 12.71 volts. And for the last 5 days, it has held true at 12.71 volts. And check this load test out on this thing now. I checked that, and this thing load tests, toaster tests, like brand new. Like that's testing actually better than some brand new batteries that I've tried right off the shelf. So, desulfator absolutely worked on this one. I am tickled pink with this because this is a very expensive battery. It worked. By no means am I saying that if you buy one of these electronic battery desulfators that it's going to fix your battery. Take this information on this video for what it is. 3 months of me experimenting with these and telling you and sharing my results with you on what worked for me and what didn't work for me. Yeah, 3 months putting a video together. A thumbs up button might be in order. A little something for the effort. I think that would be pretty cool. Get your comments down underneath the video in the comment section. Tell everybody what your opinion is on this. I want to hear it. I'm sure everybody else does too. Guinness. Oh, forget about it. Hey, you want to watch something else? Check on that video right there. Click on that one next. I think you'll like that one too. Till the next time, guys and girls. Cheers. Steve out.